How to play Fortnite on a school Chromebook. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. So the easiest way is that you open up your Chromebook and after that open up your browser, then search for GeForce Now and simply open it up, and this is where it will take you. And over here all you have to do is just simply click on this option of join now and create your account. After that simply search for Fortnite, and this way you would be redirected to create your Epic Games account. In case if you already have an account, just simply log in, and in case if you want to create a new account, just simply sign up for Epic Games. This will be inside your GeForce Now account. So after signing up for Epic Games account, you would be able to play different games, and just simply search for Fortnite and Fortnite will be there. So just simply add Fortnite to your library, and after that you will be able to play it. And that's how you play Fortnite on a school Chromebook. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.